Hello, this is Rohit Vinay here, and in this channel you can see my digital painting videos and the equipment I used to do it with. Today morning I woke up to a ton of notifications on the new Captain Marvel trailer, so naturally I had to do a Captain Marvel painting. So that's what we have today. I like the style of my Baby Groot painting. I did the concept art style. If you haven't checked that video, I'll link it above. You can check out the link. So I decided to go with that style of painting today too. The Captain Marvel trailer looked really interesting. They stuck to the comic book roots. Marvel always gets it right that way. I was extremely thrilled to see the mohawk look they went with the helmet look. The scene where she hits an old lady, if you're not a comic book fan, scene might be misleading. If it did so for you, the movie is going to be really interesting for you. I don't want to get into the spoiler territory and explain about the scene. I'm really excited for the movie and cannot wait to see the link between Captain Marvel and Avengers Infinity War and Thanos. Marvel always does a very good job of tying their movies together. I'm actually more psyched about the post-credit scene that they have in this movie. It'll definitely be heavily tied to the Avengers 4th movie. Who else is excited about the Captain Marvel movie? Let me know in the comments below. And if you guys have any suggestions on what I should do next, let me know in the comments below too. Now let's watch the speed paint. Meet you towards the end of the video. And I believe I'm nearing completion of the Captain Marvel painting. I did this in under 2 hours, so there are a little bit of mistakes here and there. I think I'll take some time to fix it later on. But for now, this is it, my Captain Marvel concept art painting. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to follow me on Twitter. All comic book related news and anything that I find interesting I try to post on Twitter. And all of my artworks and my client works I try to post on my Instagram page. And be sure to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.